Lancer 9 Delta Mike, runway 30, left one way traffic downwind.
Runway 304, 99 total Mike.
If 18 base and approve, I'll get your landing clearance here momentarily. Traffic home position, runway 30.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile, level.
As you slow down, this has to go.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile, level.
Taxi via Kilo 95606.
Lancer 9 Delta Mike, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Wasn't bad, I would have held it a little bit longer. Aviation.
Runway 30, clear.
You're busy though, that was good, I like it.
30, flight 18.
Archer 958, number 2, runway 30.
Gotta hold it a little bit longer than that, just hang out. It's like doing straight, it's like doing,
958, number 2, runway 30, clear for the option.
I'm gonna do your after landing checklist first.
Archer 958 tower.
958.
For the 4th time, runway 30, clear for the option.
Arrow 55958 has the option 30.
Yeah,
Sky 34 Mike Echo, traffic.
it's like doing straight and level flight just above the runway without the power. Of course, without the power, what's going to happen to the aircraft? It's going to want to sink, right?
Yeah.
So you're going to have to pull as soon as it sinks. So see if you can do a straight and level flight or above the runway and then wait for it to sink. Remember no flap landing?
Yeah.
Kind of like that. We're doing straight and level flight. But I like how busy you were. That's good. You weren't giving up or anything like that. It's just fine-tuning where to apply those controls now.
Mike, when you make a left turn, you will have traffic 12 o'clock. It's proceeding Skyhawks, 1,200 climbing.
Still Mike.
Cessna 606, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 clear for takeoff 95606.
Sky High 34 Mike Echo off. Call your base here momentarily.
Final is clear.
San Carlos Tower,
Skyline 525990. I want to make sure that you're checking.
Inbound for landing with India.
Skyline 52590, San Carlos Tower.
You're going to be on your own. I won't be there to look out for you, okay?
Towards Smith Plant.
I'm trying to instill in you good habits.
458 Mike, runway 30, clear for the
safe.
option. Number 2, final Skyhawk, about a mile and a half final.
Clear for the option, 458 Mike.
Sky 3 for Mike Echo, runway 30, clear for the option.
30, goes at the floor.
Full power. There you go. Good. I like it. There you go.
Gauges are green. Airspeed coming alive. 40.
Base flight 18, runway 30, clear for
50,
takeoff.
okay.
Take off 30, base flight 18.
Command CA0 Papa, once you're established on the down, I'll call your base.
Papa.
Cessna 606, extend up when I'll call your right close.
Extend off when you call my crosswind 95606.
Cessna 606, right close approved.
Right close approved 606.
Cessna 606, final follow, command to overhead the airport, turning in the downwind.
We're looking.
We are looking 95606. We have the traffic inside at 1 o'clock, 606.
Command CA0 Papa, your number 2, runway 30, clear land base and approved.
Base turn approved, base turn Papa.
Cessna 606, follow the command to your number 3, runway 30, clear to land.
Following that traffic, you are number 3, runway 30, clear to land, 95606.
Cessna 606, clear for the
Traffic,
option.
12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Base flight 18, you're also clear for the option.
Clear for the option 30, base flight 18.
Option doesn't mean touch and go. It means you can do whatever you want. We're going to do a full stop, okay?
Okay.
San Carlos Tower, 203, Charlie Delta, 3000.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Ident report 3 miles
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level. Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
San
Tower, helicopter 280 Alpha and Northwest ma'am, ready for hill to the
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile,
You
level.
trying to contact me for the past
Traffic,
15 minutes?
12 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile,
A
level.
little bit more flare.
Maybe 5 more minutes.
I kind of like nudge you.
Roger that, holding.
There you go. Good job though. If that shimmies, just let go of the brakes and keep pulling this back.
Cessna 606, left turn runway 30 taxi kilo.
Left turn taxi via kilo 95606.
Cessna 606, go ahead and taxi up closer and hold short runway 30.
Taxi and hold short runway 30 95606.
Cessna 606, runway 30, lamp and wait, traffic 6 miles final.
Line up and wait, runway 30 95606.
Cessna 606, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 clear for takeoff 95606. Thank you.
Okay, good. I'm glad that happened because now you know the difference.
Gauges are green, and airspeed is coming
At
alive.
18, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 30,
40.
Alright, sir, 9 Delta Mike, you're number 1, runway 30, clear to land.
50 and
Clear land 30, 9 Delta Mike.
Skyhawk 34 Mike Echo, report traffic 2.5 mile final, land there. Cessna 606, early right turn approved.
right turn approved 606.
I'll call your base.
You call my base 606.
Cessna 95606, you'll be number 3, following a Cirrus on a 3 mile final for runway 30.
Number 3, runway 30, we have traffic inside 95606.
Cessna 95606, number 3, following a Cirrus, runway 30, clear for the option.
Runway 30, clear for the option following the traffic number 3, 95606.
Cirrus 40 Whiskey, traffic follows Cessna, like about your 12 o'clock, that's a beam Kaiser House.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
Cirrus 8 Mike, turn left, taxi via Charlie, and runway 30, taxi via Kilo.
Runway
Taxi
is
via
clear.
Kilo, runway 30, 458, Mike.
Cirrus 40
Do a
Whiskey, just
straight
turn
level
3
flight
mile
over the
final.
runway.
Yeah, roger that. We'll turn a 3 mile final.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile,
Don't land
level.
until the airplane's ready to land. Good job. Look how busy you are in here. Look at that, fighting for that center line. Not letting that wind push you around. Alright. There you go, level off. There you go. Keep it there. Nope. There you go. Don't land yet. Don't land. Not bad. Right rudder. There it is.
Cessna 95606,
Traffic,
no delay.
9 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile, level.
Left Delta Kilo 95606.
Sometimes I would glance at my airspeed and see where it is
95606,
during my
give way to that
during my
in the
level
runoff
off,
area.
just to see how long I have to hold this thing. You know, if you're holding this thing off and you're
Cessna
like
95606, did you copy?
What was that 606?
Cessna 606, just give way to the experimental in the run-up area.
We will give way to experimental 606.
Cessna 95606, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 clear for takeoff 95606. Final is clear.
good.
Cessna 384 Mike Echo, start your base turn. You'll be number 1, runway 30, clear for the option.
System 30 number 1, clear for the option, 384 Mike Echo.
Cessna 14008, give me a right 360.
Right 360, 008.
30 on the pavement, 30 on the heading, wheels on the floor, full power.
355 over 7 plan.
Gauges are green, airspeed is coming
355, follow
alive.
the shoreline towards KNBR.
Follow
40.
shoreline towards KNBR, base 55.
45, 50, rotate. See that one on final, and that is the only traffic that I have inside. One is actually
Cessna
behind.
95606, number 2, flying Cessna on a 1 mile final for runway 30, clear for the option.
We have that traffic inside, number 2, runway 30, clear for the option, 95606.
Turn left, taxiway Charlie, taxi to parking via taxiway Juliet.
Left at Charlie, parking via Juliet, base 55.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
No. Right rudder. Too much. Not bad. Center line. There you go. No, too much.
962 Tango Foxtrot, turning 3 mile final for runway 30.
No, too much right rudder, but that's because we couldn't see the thing.
for 60 Tango Foxtrot.
Cessna 95606, turn left, taxiway Delta and runway 30, taxi via Kilo.
Delta, Kilo, on up runway 30, 95606.
Okay.
Cessna 95606, just hold position momentarily.
Holding position 606.
Cessna 95606, continue.
606, continue.
Cessna 95606, just hold position.
Holding position 606.
Cessna 95606, continue.
606, continue.
Cessna 95606, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 clear for takeoff, 95606.
0458 Mike, you'll be number 2 following a Cessna turning a 3 mile final for runway 30.
Signal is
458
clear.
Mike, number 2, following the Cessna, runway 30.
Bayflight 17 traffic is Cirrus midfield right down there for runway 30.
Thing 30, heels on the floor, full power. Gauges are green, airspeed is coming alive. 45.
Bayflight 17, roger, remain on Southwest Bravo, contact Palo Alto Tower 118.6, have a good day.
Contact Palo Alto Tower, Bayflight 17.
And Tower 606, what are the chances for a short approach?
Cessna 606, unable due to traffic.
Roger that, 606.
Aircraft midfield, right downwind, shake call sign.
95606.
Cessna 95606, you'll be number 2 flying a Cirrus on short final for runway 30.
You have that traffic inside, number 2, 30 clear for option 95606.
Cessna 95606, number 2 flying that Cirrus, runway 30, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option 30, 95606.
Cessna 384 Mike
Traffic,
Echo,
1
report to
o'clock,
stationary,
high,
run up.
less than 1 mile.
Roger, 384 Mike Echo.
Stationary 92977, take off tower, taxi up 2, forward
Traffic,
short.
1 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile. Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than 1 mile, level.
We'll terminate on this one, okay? Say terminating FlyBayArea. Later. Power out. Round out.
Tango Tower 62 Tango Foxtrot turning base. Are we clear for the option?
Cessna 962 Tango Foxtrot, affirmative, runway 30, clear for the option.
Clear for option, runway 30, 962 Tango Foxtrot.
Cessna 95606, turn left, taxiway Delta, runway 30, taxi via Kilo.
We're terminating right Delta and going to Mark.
Cessna 606, roger, have a good day.
Thank you, good day, 606.